I was involved in a very unhealthy lifestyle, drugs, crimes, and just making a lot of unhealthy choices. I did that for almost 30 years. That course of time, there are many encounters that I've had where I almost lost my life, and because of for the grace and mercies of God, you know, He didn't allow that to happen because He had greater plans and purpose for my life. I am a divine miracle. My name is Angela, and I'm a survivor and a participant of Lighthouse for Life.
And Angela Harris came into our program after leaving the South Carolina Department of Corrections because she was ready for a change. She was ready for support, she was ready for accountability, and she wanted something different in her life. And so we have had the pleasure of walking alongside Angela for the last year to provide her the services that she needs.
I needed clothes, hygiene items, I needed a spiritual support, mental support, emotional support. I needed guidance. I needed accountability. I needed somebody to show me unconditional love that was non-judgmental. I needed somebody that accept me from right where I was and who I was at that time, and not have to meet a certain expectation or criteria to receive that. Some of my barriers were not having a driver's license. I've been without a license for over 10 years, having a criminal background, and that was not having transportation, not having a stable place to live at that time. And Lighthouse for Life, you know, they helped me with all of that. They helped me to my license to be reinstated. They provided me with transportation. They provided me with a safe, healthy place to live. All those things were geared toward helping me to become whole, healed, and a healthy individual, to also become a productive citizen in society, and most of all, to see myself the way God sees me and be the woman that God called me to be from the very beginning. Lighthouse for Life has taught me how to be held accountable, how to make positive choices, how to set boundaries. They have provided education, empowerment, hope. They have supported me mentally, emotionally, spiritually, and financially. And most of all, they've taught me that I am not what I've been through. I'm not what I've done. My true identity is in Christ. And there is treasure in your trauma, and there's purpose in your pain. It was very enlightening, very supportive. It was, I felt very comfortable because I was around like-minded people. The support and know that I wasn't alone. I realized that we were all in this thing together. We were on the journey together, headed with having the same objective, heading the same direction. It was a great blessing. I'm not at that same place. I don't have those, I'm not as needy as I was at that point. And I've grown a lot since then. God has blessed me through them. So I'm a little bit more independent in some areas, but they're constantly there for pretty much whatever I need. Presently a certified peer support specialist. I'm a certified mental health first aider. And I've obtained some other credentials that will help enhance my ability to help others. I work with other people that have drug and alcohol issues, mental health issues, that has been through the same storms I've been through. And God has afforded me the opportunity to reach back and help others and encourage others and let them know that there is a better life. It will be a tremendous blessing. Yeah, definitely a place to call home. A wonderful place you could call home. You could come and be comfortable, be loved, be accepted.
Just me, it's not just our staff that loves and care about them. It's everybody here in the Church of Christ. It's everybody in this community. It's the Lord who sees them and knows them and values them.
I am the fruit of Lighthouse for Life labor, and you will definitely be sowing your seeds into good ground, and God will make sure we reap a harvest.